Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Teacher Aishah. So today I'm going to present about the constraints to play, which is the adaptations. Okay, now what is a constraint to play? Constraint to play is a severe sensory problem that with extreme delay in developmental skills and also will become the difficulties in interacting with others. So there will be limit in self-stimulations and also will limit reporter of activity, which is the interactions ataupun attract with the activity. So they will be reduced in social play and also sometimes we affected the fantasy play. So mainly when the child who has the constraint, who has this problem, which is the durations of to spend to play, if that affected, so dia akan rosak, dia bukan rosakkan, dia akan mengurangkan skill, a lot of skill, which is the fine motor skill, gross motor skill, the social skill, and also how they thinking also will be affected because they are not exposing ataupun exposure, they have not giving the exposure to surrounding because of this problem. Okay, now why constraint to play happen? Okay, macam mana this problem happen to the children? So the first of the reason is children hospitalized. So this is children yang selalu sakit, apa tu yang selalu keluar masuk hospital ataupun warded, and also can be the premature babies lah. This is one of it. So the what will happen is what will happen when it comes to children always hospitalized, so they will experience the stress of separation. So they will mindset, they will have the mindset yang the separation is very stress. So separation is bonding towards the parents and when parents and the families lah. So because of the stressful separation, so they avoiding from bondings with others, which is create the bondings with the friends, create bondings, exposures to the environment, and so on. So next one is fear of illness. So they know, the fear of illness and also the painful procedure. So these two is very related because of fear of illness. Mereka takut untuk sakit because in also the mindset yang when they sakit, they will be in warded, and also in warded they will having a painful procedure, which is the need to cucuk, need to dripping, and so on. So this is all the mindset yang akan mengganggu play spend, time of play mereka lah. So the fourth one, which is the last factor, is disruptions of routine. So this is when our child always in warded, so they are going to disrupt the times, which is the time of night, and macam masa lah, masa untuk macam kadang-kadang ke hospital tu kita tak tahu masa siang dan malam sebab when children, they know they are pain, they are tired, so tired they are sleeping, so they are going to sleep, which is rest lah. So rest, and then they have no, kadang-kadang bangun-bangun dah pagi, kadang should pagi dia rest, and malam tiba-tiba malam. So this is mengganggu routine of time lah, disruption of the routine. Okay, what the effect from constraint to play? So the first one, they will effects on play behavior becoming regressions to early stage of development. So decrease endurance and the movement, decrease attention span, initiative, and also curiosity, decrease resourcefulness and creativity, qualitative decrease in playfulness, and also decrease affect and increased anxiety. Okay, next is adaptation. So as we know that the have a lot of affecting when our child have a problem, which is the constraint to play. So one of it is become fearful for illness, and also the reduce in endurance and movement, reduce in attention span, and also the quality of the playfulness also decreasing. So they have not interact with attract with others and also attract with the toys and also to play together with friends and also can be problem with the parents also. So what as a therapist can do to the children also and also can parents do at home, try it at home, so that can minimize can maximize the progression. Okay, so the first one is to creating a play for the children is a considering environment and the object within. So this is the first point is to creating a play that involving the environment such as menyorok menyorok is environment that can the play that can involve the environment, which is we find him or we find them during mereka menyorok. Okay, so next one is the fostering play environmental space, toys and equipment should have some flexibility in usage. So bila kita menggunakan mainan tu, make sure they have a functions of it. Okay, so that they can also learn. This is not the play that only the toys, only the games. Okay, they have give some things that memorizing and some things that can use all the components of their skills, which is the JMS, gross motor skill, fine motor skill, the critical thinking also can do. So they can mengasahkan lagi mereka punya skills and also how they think. Okay, the playfulness in a group suggestions is suitable age in 5 to 7 years old. So the toys and equipment may need to be adapted to the access them optimally. So as I mentioned before, the toys ataupun the games need to give functions towards the daily living lah. So next, which is for example. Okay, for example, place face offer a variety of experience and allow for creativity, illusions, changes, and the change. So the children need from that the children need to be able to control the space. For example, have object, toys, and people to move and change and freedom to move. So macam main acik kejam, main menyorok, main police and thief. Okay, so this is great. They will take the moment, which is first bonding with the families and also the friends. Next is how they playing the role play during the games. Okay, so there is some example can parents and also therapists can try to build the confidence for inner constraints to play. So that's why is know the properties of the toys as well as I mentioned before. Need to do something that is functions to the daily living. So last one is play can be enhanced through a variety of argumentative device. So for example, they have such as the ranging from very simple adaptation to complex electronic device. So menggunakan start to guna item. It's not only the humans. So there's not only with the people lah. So can use something macam kita menggunakan okay kita main tenteng. So tenteng we use something which is visual. So they will from there akan meningkatkan lagi mereka punya visual skill. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.